Hi, I'm Janice from Resource Depot, and I'm bringing to you today a craft with cardboard tube design. All right, cardboard tubes, it might be something you probably already have around your house. I know I'm always saving cardboard tubes because you never know what you might want to create out of them. But if you don't save them, you know where they go? Yes, in the yellow bin, that's it. Right, in the yellow bin, because we really want, if you're not collecting them and not saving them for someone else, we want to recycle them because they can be reused for, for something else. We can use that cardboard, and we're trying to save our trees, so we definitely want to recycle. All right, I was just given a little fun fact that if we threw away all of these, that they could fill the Empire State Building 2 times every year. Can you imagine? Has anybody been to the Empire State Building? It's a really tall building full of tubes. That would be amazing, amazing. All right. Well, so to start today, I have a box, and I picked this box, but you could pick any kind of a box that you want. And if you didn't have a box, you could even maybe have a cereal box, and you can kind of just tape it back together and just cut out the frame just to make it like a frame shape if you want. That kind of cardboard is great. You always recycle the cardboard for the cereal boxes too, right? But if not, you can use them for, open them up and they have great just plain cardboard there that you could use for picture making. You can cut them. They usually have pretty colors on the other side of those boxes, so you can cut them up to make any special design. But just choose your box, and then take some tubes and cut them into little circles. You can just kind of bend. I cut up a few here, but just kind of bend it. And it's all right if you even crease it, but you just bend it and just cut them into little pieces. Probably get 5 or 6 out of each one. They're probably somewhere around a 1/3 of an inch, because they're not quite a 1/2 an inch. Circles. And then when we're done with that, what we're going to do, so what you need are your tubes, and you need some glue also. Okay, you could use a glue stick, you could use regular white glue. If you want to use hot glue, if you're able to use that would be good. Oh, and the other thing is, if you wanted to paint the inside of your box, you could paint it. You could use paper, and which is what I'm choosing to do, or you could leave it plain and do your design, and then maybe you'll want to paint it afterwards. You'll kind of be able to see that idea as we go along. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put my paper in here. This kind of didn't fit too well, so let's see. I don't want it this side. Just make it a little bit colorful background. All right, and the next thing I'm going to do is start with my little circles here. And see, they could be round, so you could put them in whatever shape you want to put them in. You could put them in round. You could put them in like an oval, kind of like a petal shape. You could even put them in like folded in between. You'll see, because you can kind of make it into whatever design you want. It's sort of like putting together a puzzle. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting these and kind of gluing them right into each other. Just put a little glue on each one. You notice I have some tubes are brown and some tubes are white. It doesn't matter which ones you use, whatever your preference is, whatever preference you have at home. I guess I have 2 white ones here together, so I'll continue with them. I'm gonna put glue on both sides, like kind of near the tips, and then that way they'll be ready for the next one that comes beside it. A little bit of glue to glue kind of makes things stick better together. You really shouldn't need too much though, because it is a kind of a light cardboard. Can you see the design? I don't know. You can kind of pick out your own design maybe. I know, I can see the flower here, and then there's another flower here. So if you didn't paint it, or you didn't put paper behind it, you could right now take paint, and you could paint right in there. I don't know. What do you think? I like the design. Do you like it? If you're not happy with your design, what can you do? Well, I don't know. I think I'll think about it. And I think maybe I would take where the flowers are and paint them all the same color. I think I might do that. Okay, I'm just gonna start with this flower here. And I wanted to tell you, when we started, you could paint your tubes if you wanted to paint them. But really, when you look here, what do you see mostly? You see mostly the inside. So if you paint them, you should paint the inside also if you want them to be colorful, all right? I didn't paint mine, and I'm gonna just paint. And you could paint them once you're finished. You know, you could paint, I'm gonna just paint the inside of the flower here. Did you know when you're doing this, you're using your creative imagination? Everyone has creative imagination. So we're using ours today. It's when you make decisions of what you want to do with something. That's using your creative imagination. Okay, I wanted to also show you that when we put these together and they kind of look like flowers, I went ahead and I made one and I glued it together and I made it to look like a flower. And I thought the other thing you could do with this is you could take this, it looks like a flower, and then I have my glue gun here. I don't know if it's hot enough yet. No, it's not quite hot enough. And I have some bottle caps. I thought we could like glue them. See, if you glue it to the center. And I'm gonna glue one on each side. I'm gonna put one on each side. Thing. See, so there's another idea for how you can glue your little tube pieces together, make little flowers. You could make this for a special present. I'm sure your mom, your grandma, or someone that's special would love to have a homemade gift from you. All right? All right, well, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed everything. Remember to, if you create this, we'd love to see your pictures. You could send it to us. Can't wait to see how you've used your creative imagination. All right, thank you, and hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.